Good morning students. In this video I am going to explain you word meanings of chapter 2 class 8th English literature. The first letter is retrieved. This is adjective and it means regained or recovered. Recovered means फिर से प्राप्त करना. Eminent, this is also an adjective. It means famous and respected. Eminent means famous and respected. Overpowered, this is verb. It means defeated or captured somebody by using greater strength. Overpowered means defeated or captured by using greater strength. Here next is resumed. This is also a verb. It means continued after a break or interruption. Contained after a break or interruption. Resumed means continued after a break or interruption. The next word is clamps. This is noun. It means tools which hold two things together. Clamps are used as tools which hold two things together. And next is loafing. Loafing means wandering around, or other means is loitering. Loitering means wandering around. Feeding him coins. It means giving him some money from time to time to get information. Here I told you that Ralph D. Spencer, which was known as Jimmy Valentine, he gave the boy money to ask questions, to take information of Miss Adam Annabelle and his father. So he was giving money, coins, time to time. So it means feeding him. Coins means giving him some money from time to get information. Prospered, this is also a verb. Developed in a successful way. Prospered means developed in a successful way. Next is good run of trade. This is a phrase. It means good business. Good run of trade means good business. Next is captivated. Captivated is a verb. It means attracted. It means attracted. Unobtrusively. Unobtrusively means not attracting unnecessary attention. Not attracting unnecessary attention. This is an adverb. This is an adverb. Not attracting unnecessary attention. This is an adverb. Unobtrusively. This is an adverb. Boarded. This is a verb. It means stayed. Boarded means stayed. Safe. A metal box for storing valuable things. Safe means metal box for storing valuable things. Usually kept in a bank. So this is a safe. A safe in vault is used here in the passage, in the exercise. Next is vault. A room with thick walls and a strong door. Vault means a room with thick walls and a strong door, especially in a bank. Especially in a bank, used for keeping valuable things. Vault means a room with thick walls and a strong door. Vault means a room with thick walls and a strong door, especially in a bank. So vaults are kept in a bank, and these vaults are used to keep valuable things like jewelry, money, etc. Sauntered, this is a verb. It means walked in a slow and relaxed way. walked in a slow and relaxed way. It means sauntered. Its other meaning is also strolled. Strolled means walking a slow way. Commotion. Commotion is noun. Sudden noise, confusion. Commotion means sudden noise, confusion. Sudden noise, confusion. This is commotion. Unperceived. This is an adjective. Unperceived. Not noticed. Not noticed. Unperceived means not noticed. Not paid attention. This is an adjective. Hysterically. This is an adverb. In a state of extreme excitement. It means in a state of extreme excitement. Next is convulsion. Next is convulsion. It means a sudden shaking movement of the body that cannot be controlled. This is known as convulsion. This is a noun. The next is frantic. This is an adjective. It means extremely frightened and worried. It means extremely frightened and worried. So student, you are advised to write these word meanings in your fair copy in correct handwritings. Now I am going to explain question answer of this chapter. So let us see here. Read to understand. Read to understand. First question is, why did Jimmy Valentine go to Mike Dolan Cafe? Why did Jimmy Valentine go to Mike Dolan Cafe? Its answer is here. Mike Dolan was a friend of Jimmy Valentine. He had rented a room at the back of Dolan's Cafe and had entrusted his belongings to Dolan. So this will be the answer. Question once again I explain here. Why did Jimmy Valentine go to Mike Dolan's Cafe? जिमी वैलेंटाइन्स माइक डोलन के कैफ़े में क्यों गया? माइक डोलन वॉज अ फ्रेंड ऑफ जिमी वैलेंटाइन. ही वॉज अ फ्रेंड ऑफ जिमी वैलेंटाइन एंड ही had rented a room. Rented means hired a room at the back of Dolan's Cafe. He had hired a room at the back of Dolan's Cafe and had entrusted his belongings to Dolan, and he had given his belongings to Dolan. So that's why he went to Dolan's Cafe. The next question is, how did Ben Price guess that the burglaries were done by Jimmy Valentine? So this is the question. How did Ben Price guess that the burglaries were done by Jimmy Valentine? बेन प्राइस को अनुमान कैसे लगाया बेन प्राइस ने कि बर्गलरीज जो है जिमी वैलेंटाइन के द्वारा की गई है? आंसर विल बी द मैनर इन विच the burglary was done was similar to Jimmy Valentine's style. The style of burglary was Jimmy Valentine's style of work, and the work of burglary shows the style of Jimmy Valentine. The jobs were neat, clean, and showed no clue about the burglar. So jobs were neat and clean and showed no clues about the burglar. These signs and significant amounts being burgled indicated that only Valentine could do such work. So these things, these signs and significant proved that nobody else than Jimmy Valentine could do such a work. So students, in this way you will write the answer as I have explained. The question number C is, how did Jimmy get information about Annabelle and the town? How did Jimmy get information about Annabelle and the town? Valentine made friends with a boy loitering near the bank. First of all, Jimmy Valentine made a friendship with a boy who was wandering near the bank. He purposely suggested a wrong name and the boy corrected him. He knowingly suggested a wrong name of the boy and the boy corrected his name. He told his name to Jimmy Valentine, giving him the real identity of the girl, and he also gave real identity of the girl about whom Jimmy Valentine wanted to know. Jimmy kept on giving the boy coins to extract more information about bankers. Jimmy Valentine kept on giving coins to the boy in order to know more about banker's daughter and the town. So in order to know more about banker's daughter and the town, Jimmy Valentine continued giving him money and he asked questions after question. Fourth question is, why was the clerk at the Planters Hotel impressed with Ralph Spencer? Why was the clerk at the Planters Hotel impressed with Ralph Spencer? So answer of this question will be, the clerk at Planters Hotel was impressed with Ralph Spencer because he was smartly dressed. Well mannered and very pleasing in his interaction. So that's what that was the reason the clerk of the Planters Hotel impressed with Ralph Spencer. Once again I tell you the answer. The clerk at Planters Hotel was impressed with Ralph Spencer. क्लर्क रैल्फ स्पेंसर से इम्प्रेस्ड हो गया था क्योंकि he was smartly dressed. Ralph Spencer was smartly dressed. He was looking well mannered and very pleasing in his interaction. That was the reason. That's why the clerk was impressed with Ralph Spencer. The next question is question number E. What happened to Agatha at the bank. What happened to Agatha at the bank? बैंक में आगता के साथ क्या हुआ? So let us see here. Agatha got shut in the new vault accidentally while the two girls were playing, swinging the door of the vault. Agatha got shut in the new vault accidentally. Agatha accidentally had shut in the new vault while Agatha and May, two girls are Agatha and May, were playing swinging the door of the vault. And they were swinging the door of the vault, and in the playing, in the middle of the playing, Agatha shut herself into the vault. This was the reason. Next is, why was Annabelle's father worried about Agatha? Why was Annabelle's father worried about Agatha? So Annabelle's father was worried about Agatha because the vault was new and they were not able to open it. Annabelle's father was worried about the Agatha because they were not able to open, because the vault was new, and they were not able to open it because the combination was not set. Because the combination of the vault was not set, the only person who could open the vault was in another city, and one who could open the vault, he was not there in that city, Elmore city, he was in another city. Agatha could have died from suffocation and fright, and Annabelle's father was thinking that Agatha could have died or might have died from suffocation and fright inside the vault, because there was because the vault was air shut. No air can reach inside the vault. So that's why Annabelle's father was very worried about Agatha. Now, let us go through the second exercise, which is answer with reference to the context. So now here, students, you have to answer the following questions with reference to the context of the given lines. So the line is given here. Everything was just, he had let it, even band, price, collar, button. So students, this is the line for which you have to write a reference and then context. So in the previous classes you have studied about how to write a reference of any chapter, and in the previous video I have also explained that how to write a reference of any chapter. So this is a chapter, a retrieved reformation. The writer of this chapter is O. Henry. So we will write the reference of this line or this chapter. This line has been taken from the lesson A Retrieved Reformation, written by O. Henry. This will be the reference of this line. Now, how you will write a context? So first of all, students, you have to read the line first of all twice or thrice and try to understand the story. What the line says. Everything was just he had let it. So it is the story where when Jimmy Valentine entered into his room and he found everything as usual lying there when he came back from imprisonment. Even Ben Price collar button, even Ben Price collar button was lying there as usual. So when we write the context of this line, we will write in this way. I explain here. I explain here. Listen carefully. In this line, the author explains that when Jimmy Valentine went back to his room after imprisonment, he found everything as usual in the room. Even Ben Price's collar button was lying there. So I think you have understood. This is very easy language. It is easy to understand the context. So you will write the context in this way. Now the first question is, let us see first question. First question is, who is he in this sentence? So students, I hope you have understood who is he in this statement or sentence. Who entered into the room and who found Ben Price's collar button lying as usual. So answer will be, he in this sentence is Jimmy Valentine. So after imprisonment, जेल से छूटने के बाद कौन कमरे में प्रवेश किया था? किसने प्रवेश किया था बच्चों? जिमी वैलेंटाइन ने। जिमी वैलेंटाइन ने रूम में एंटर किया and he is referred here as Jimmy Valentine. So next one is, who is Ben Price? So I have explained in the exercise in the chapter. Ben Price is the detective or spy who had caught Jimmy Valentine. Ben Price is a detective who had caught Jimmy Valentine. Detective means jasoos. Why did he come in possession of Ben Price's collar button? How did he come in possession of Ben Price's collar button? The button had been torn from Ben Price's shirt. The button had been torn means फट जाना, फट गए थे. The button had been torn from Ben Price's shirt. He had overpowered Jimmy to arrest him because there was a reason, because he had overpowered, जोर से ताकत लगाना, full power लगाना, he had overpowered Jimmy to arrest him. So in order to arrest Jimmy Valentine, he overpowered and thus the button of his shirt had broken or had torn out. So in this way, students, you will write answer of these questions. In the next video, I will tell you the second reference and read the lines with context and question answers. Thank you.